At Toucan, we make security easy. Introducing the new Toucan SCOUT Wireless Camera with PIR motion detection. The IP56 rated weather-resistant casing protects the device from adverse weather conditions. The optional solar panel means your security camera is always charged and ready. The built-in rechargeable battery allows wire-free easy setup almost anywhere. Use auto greetings and pre-recorded messages to obscure your voice. Use two-way talk through the Toucan app to speak and listen through your camera remotely. A free 24-hour video history allows to review the events of the day without subscriptions required. Works with Alexa Echo Show devices and Google Home. Customizable motion detection zones help you filter out real alerts from unwanted traffic. Night vision allows clear recordings and motion detection in low-light conditions. With the Toucan SCOUT Wireless Security Camera, home security has never been easier, giving you peace of mind.